Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Snapper. This is Talali with you and I'm going to take you today through the daily update of the top 5 gainers of the day of July 8, 2021. As you can see today, the market of course was really down and was really tough for the traders who were not really having a plan for the trading. However, on our calendar, the results, as you can see, we made 18 winning trades out of total 45 trades or opportunities that appear to us. And if we trade the whole 45, again, that is only theoretical, we will be having a profit of $5,905. Let me take you through the daily opportunities. Of course, as you know, our setting is based on stop loss of 3% and take profit of 7% and starting equity of 10,000 that we will be challenging in the upcoming month. Okay, and share size of 3,000 shares per trade, and commission that depends on your broker, but in our case it is 3.95. Okay, moving on to the opportunities. Our top 5 today were, as you can see, actually for us the day was perfect, although it was really unstable for traders, but it was perfect for us. See the opportunities, the winning opportunities that we had here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, as we said, 18 winning opportunities, and the time is ranging actually. Some of them in minutes, 3 minutes, like most of our opportunities here, and some of them really are taking hours to reach. But of course there are losing also, there are losing trades, but controlling really the entry and stop loss and selecting the right entry will make a big difference here. Alright, so starting with the first one, UONE. On the daily it is moving upwards, and when it appeared to us was a little bit early actually. If I'm going to enter this one, I will be waiting for the next candle. So if we start from here, we can make 7%, but if you start here at the lowest point in the day, then you are also, maybe you need to put your stop loss carefully and watch out for the entry, because this has just broke this one, but it did not really go above the moving averages and the weighted moving average as well, the volume weighted average. So this entry is a little bit early, but it made in 3 minutes, let's say 5 minutes, it made to us 7% from 8.60 to 9.20, representing 1,806 based on our entry and our investment. Moving on, and this is coming again with us, IPW. It was with us previously in the previous days. Here on the daily, it is doing great movement, and here, as you can see, in another 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes actually, in 3 minutes, it made to us 7%. Again, here one of our perfect criterias where you have consolidation, really long consolidation in the middle of the day, then upper movement, breakthrough, and then you get this beautiful results in only 3 minutes. So from 7.89 to 8.44 in one candle, representing $1,656.90. Wow. Next is DBGI. And DBGI, maybe it is a scary one, really. When you look into the results that the entry that you are in, you are at the highest, and what happened is that it gapped up and it gave you this only in 2 minutes. It gave you the 7%, then it was the highest level or price on the day. So here, as we know always, it is not really a safe place to enter. Here you are entering at a testing point of the moving averages and the volume weighted average. But again, this has been achieved by luck, really. Because if you are late in the entry, you might not decide really to make your position immediately, and then you might hesitate, or you might be a little bit slow, or in calculating, or in many factors where you will not really be able to enter at this stage. And then as a result of that, you will be late in leaving here. So by the time the other candle opens and starts going down, you will be thinking whether I should wait until it really tests again, or I should leave. So this is a winning one, but this is only for expert ones. So when you see this one in the trading, skip it. Just skip this one and wait for other opportunities, and opportunities are there always. So if I'm trading, I'm not sure myself whether I will get this one and get my 7% out of it. I will not be really confident in entering this, and I will be hesitating really to enter this. But most probably I will be just skipping it and moving to others. If it is appearing to me at this level, yes, I would love jumping in with high confidence, but here it is a big risk that I don't need really to be in. Moving to the fourth one, APT made a very bad downtrending on the previous day, and it opened, or it gave us the opportunity here, the signal at that level. But let us see the entry. Perfect. Look into the entry here, and in half an hour, in 30 minutes, the entrance here is excellent at the beginning, regardless, despite the daily performance and the daily downtrending. There is always, by the way, reaction to that. When it goes down the other day, it will try a little bit to rise for a level, then it might either continue downtrending or it will go up. That's what they call, that's known as the dead cat bounce, actually, where a stock goes up and then the next day goes down suddenly, then it continues up, for example, or the other way around, as what's happening with us here. So maybe it is downtrending, but there is what they call dead cat bounce, so it bounces up a little bit, but then it might continue going down. So we need to be careful really to this. So here what's happening is that it gave you the signal at a perfect entry where the moving averages are crossing, and the volume weighted average also is there, is giving you a positive indication. So you have this sweet upper trending and sweet 7%, making $1,566.60. Now, last but not least, is OPHC, and OPHC was doing great on the daily and gave really good range, and the entrance or the entry point was really perfect also, and it took really long time. It took 1 hour and 20 minutes to give us or to reach our target. So anyway, it's okay, it's still acceptable with this very bearish market really. Okay, there are other opportunities that we talked about actually during the trading. For those who are following me on the Twitter account, and for the subscribers also, you can see that during the day we were talking about GBS, SEED, and BNSO, and LMFA. Here what you see as a subscriber are the ones that are immediately during the trading, immediately updated during the trading. But out of these, there are the top ones that we just talked about here. So imagine that you are trading on these, and it happened that you entered one of those, of the top ones really. It will be really good opportunity. So here, LMFA, we indicated or we pointed it when it was at around 12 LMFA here. It appeared to us at $4.8, which was 21%. We said, guys, this is going to do something. And the entry after consolidation is our perfect entry. It broke the previous high, and it gave you a window, tight one actually, and breaking it will give you really a larger window. So when we see this one, we don't do anything, we just watch. So 21% we watch, 22 we watch, then it started to give you wide range to the next resistance, here where you really jump, here where you know that it is going to really make something, and it broke already the previous high, and it started to be smart stop, and then the target profit is also there. So from this entry at 4.84 to the 5.36, you will be confident that it will reach it, especially with this magnitude and with this momentum really. So when you see a full screen of signals and resistance in a far place, in half a dollar distance, maybe you can decide to enter immediately. You can make your decision and enter immediately, right? So it continued, LMFA, with us appearing and disappearing to us until it reached 72, and then it continued here up to 81. Then I believe it continued beyond that. Yes, 84, 97, and I believe that was it. So 97 was at this stage here. So really you made easily 70 something out of this here. I believe this is a perfect one really. Only in a subscription of $20 per month, I believe this is really perfect. Or $120 per year. So congrats to the subscribers and to all who took benefit really out of this. And with this, I will conclude my update for the day. And we're waiting for Friday's session, which I expect it will be a little bit better than this one. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate contacting me. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumb up and subscribe. And always wish you all the best and always be in contact. Wish you all the best and happy trading, everyone. Bye-bye.